Noun clauses. Introduction. In this lesson, you will learn briefly what a noun clause is, what it does, and where it goes. We'll get into the details in other lessons. But first, it's important that we review what the job of a noun phrase is within a sentence. Noun phrases could serve as the subject of a sentence, just like my cat does here in this sentence. They could also be direct objects, just like tuna is here in this sentence. Or perhaps they could be an indirect object, just like my cat is here in this sentence. Or they could be an object of a preposition, just like tuna is in this example. Finally, noun phrases could be subject complements, just like a funny cat is here in this sentence. So these are all the jobs that a noun performs in a sentence. Remember, a noun could also be replaced by a pronoun, and a pronoun can do these jobs too. It's important to remember this before talking about noun clauses, because a noun clause can also perform all of these jobs in a sentence. As you've learned before, a clause contains a subject and a verb. In this case, a noun clause contains a subject and a verb and is performing the job of a noun. Let's take a look at a few examples so I can show you what I mean. Okay, here are 3 simple sentences. In the first sentence, what job does a secret perform? That's right. It is an object. And in the second sentence, the pronoun it performs which job? In this case, it's the subject. Finally, it in the last sentence comes after of, which means it's the object of a preposition. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can replace nouns and pronouns with noun clauses that perform the same functions. I want to tell you what I saw. Okay, you know in the original sentence, I want to tell you a secret is a noun phrase that performs the job of an object. In the sentence, I want to tell you what I saw is also acting as an object. In this case, what I saw is a noun clause because it performs the job of a noun and contains a subject and a verb. Because this clause is not the main clause of the sentence, we know that it is a dependent clause. Therefore, all noun clauses are dependent clauses. Let's look at 2 more examples. What I saw was in the water. Okay, now the noun clause, what I saw, is acting as the subject of the sentence. Notice that it receives a singular verb form, was. What I saw was in the water. And because of what I saw, I was so shocked that I nearly drowned. Shh. Okay, in this example, we can see how the noun clause, what I saw, is performing the job of an object of a preposition. Sometimes a simple noun or pronoun isn't enough to help us communicate what we want to say. Hey, that was a noun clause. That's why we use noun clauses. All right. Here's a few more examples. No one will believe me when I tell them what I saw. What I saw had a tail, scales, and was an excellent swimmer. What I saw was neither a fish nor a human. Can you guess what I saw? This is what I saw. A mermaid. Okay, let's quickly review the basics of noun clauses. A noun clause is a type of dependent clause, which means it has a subject and a verb, and it cannot stand alone. And because it is a noun clause, it does the job of a noun. Noun clauses can begin with these words. You'll learn more about that in the coming lessons. Thanks for listening. Bye.